All right, guys, I'm here with Richie from Speed Junkies. Now, Speed Junkies is up now, or is it not up
channel.
yet?
I've got about probably 3 or 4 videos of footage recorded.
Yep.
But I haven't figured out how to edit it yet.
Okay, so we're gonna
43, and you know.
All right, we're gonna work on that.
Takes a little time.
All right, so Speed Junkies, be sure to check that out. Is the account set up yet? So can they go subscribe?
The account is not set up.
All right, so we'll be setting that up soon.
I already searched the name to make sure it's available.
Okay.
I haven't set up the
I'll be setting up here.
account.
All right, and what do you got here? Tell me about this car.
This is a 2017 GT performance package, premium from that year.
Yep.
It stock front tires and wheels, but the back we changed to a 305.
Okay.
For extra traction because the stock Pirellis go horrible.
Yeah, those big boys.
So I went with a Michelin Pilot Super Sport tire.
Okay.
This is a 305 3019.
Okay.
And to keep some of the costs down and be able to get, you know, something that doesn't look totally different, I went with the American Muscle replica wheels, performance pack replica wheels.
Gotcha.
So there's slight difference front to
I couldn't
back.
even tell.
Yep.
Yep.
You didn't even notice, right?
Yep.
So the only difference being obviously the pony in the middle of the stock one and the AM cap. On those.
Okay. All right. What do you got under the hood there?
Under the hood is a Pro Charger.
Okay.
Right now we're running the stock pulley that comes with the kit. So
Okay.
4.88.
Yep.
Boost is at around, I'd say 10 to 11 pounds. It hasn't been on a dyno.
Yep.
It was remote tuned by Lund.
Okay. Estimated horsepower though?
We're pushing over 6 to the wheel.
Over
Probably
600 to the wheel.
620, 630 to the wheel.
Awesome.
Hopefully 650 I'll take, that'd be nice.
Yep.
But this is just the beginning.
Yep.
Reason it's just the beginning is because I haven't touched anything else powertrain wise.
Yep.
Stock clutch.
Yep.
So, you know, I try to baby it when I, as
Yep.
much as I can.
This is standard.
Standard, yeah.
Standard, yep.
Standard.
Nice.
So, what else?
You did all this yourself?
I did it all myself.
The supercharger, everything yourself?
Yeah, I'm opening a shop in Staten Island for late model Mustang Performance.
Yep.
Kind of building this as a demonstration car.
Yep.
So customers can see, you know, give them ideas what they could possibly do.
And you said you got some compliments?
Yeah, when Lund was tuning it.
Yep.
Because Lund did the remote tune, so we did a lot of data logging with the N-Gauge.
Yep.
And I would email him, and based on what he was seeing, he was asking me what parts I had used from Pro Charger, the blow-up valve and stuff.
Yep.
And so I told him, and I asked him why, and he said we had the smoothest airflow that he'd seen from any Pro Charger kit before. So
Beautiful.
he didn't know if it was something new they were offering, which it wasn't.
Yep.
It was just, you know, attention to detail.
All right, guys, if you're within driving distance of Staten Island, go see Richie. Does a top-notch job. You got the JLT oil air separator?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is actually JLT's kit for a Whipple supercharger, believe it or not.
Gotcha.
I
Okay.
didn't know if their regular one, where the can sits here, would fit with the Pro Charger coolant overflow.
Yep.
So I went with the Whipple one, which had a nice bracket with it anyway. And just modified this side to go straight underneath instead of down.
Okay. Do you mind showing your license plate?
Oh.
Okay. It's a pretty cool little license plate there. It pops up so you can stay legal.
New York's antiquated. We need a front plate.
And then tell us about that vanity plate there.
That's boosted pony.
Nice.
To all the Chevy guys, they say busted pony.
Yeah.
It's all right. Usually they're looking at the back plate anyway.
Found on road dominating. That's what I say. All right, let's take a ride in this. Does she have a name?
Just the boosted pony.
Okay, boosted pony. Perfect. All right. Awesome. Let's get a ride. Oh my God. Sounds gorgeous. Music to my ears.
There's no crowds around, right? We're not going to kill anybody.
I don't think so.
Okay. Making sure we are in a Mustang.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy mother. Oh my God. No words, just my face. Just my face.
This way.
Oh my God.
You can pretty much see how useless first gear is.
Yeah. Oh my God. I am literally holding on. I'm holding on tight.
I mean, those tires are warm.
Woo!
305s, and they cannot grab.
Holy moly!
The problem is the second they break loose, your RPM spike and you hit the
yeah.
limiter, you know?
Oh my God, I am so supercharging the Shelby. I am so supercharging it. It is so fun. That's an absolute blast. Now, are you hitting the drag strip with this or tracking it, or?
I haven't yet. I'm gonna wait until I actually upgrade the drivetrain to actually be able to handle this kind of power.
Yep.
Like I said, believe it or not, I'm rolling on a stock clutch.
Yep.
And I'm at almost 9,000 miles. I did the supercharger at a little over 4,000.
Okay.
So I've got 5,000 miles on a stock clutch pushing over 600 kilograms.
That's awesome.
So it is all about how you drive, how you shift.
Yep.
You know?
I think it maybe Ford should have left the clutch alone instead of upgrading it to that dual flywheel or dual mass flywheel, yeah. In the 18s. Yeah. Yeah.
Next thing I know,
oh my God, that was so amazing. That's the kind of power that I need for the GT350. It's awesome around corners and stuff. I need some boost.
See, it's funny because I've got the power on this, and you've got the handling that I want on the GT350.
But the mods, you do the mods, and it gets you there.
Absolutely.
That's the beautiful thing about the Mustang GT, ladies and gentlemen. You bought it to get it where you want it to be. So now the only thing left on the GT is like weight reduction, blower. Oh my God. An awesome 100 miles an hour in Mexico. We are live in Mexico. And awesome brakes too, by the way.
Yes.
Stock brakes, stock Brembos. Oh my God.
Quite well.
That is so much fun.
And that, if you notice, when I hit it, we weren't in the ideal power band of the Pro charging yet. I'm still probably under 3K.
Yep.
That's usually where the Pro charger will hit.
Yep.
On your RPMs, 3K plus.
Yep.
Similar to a turbo.
Yep.
Whereas a positive displacement, you get that hit immediate. Down low.
Yeah.
But unlike the positive displacement, like a turbocharger, the centrifugal supercharger, your boost curve is not linear. It's growing. It goes up exponentially in relation to your RPM.
Yep. Kind of like the Vortec.
Right.
Yeah.
And when I was tuning this, and I was in Mexico doing some street driving to get the data logs on the N-Gauge.
Yeah.
I think I was in normal mode, not even sport or track.
Yeah.
And we were going with a watt pull. They needed a watt, to complete a watt pull.
Yep.
She broke loose past 6,000.
Oh my God, 6,000.
So
wow.
That's what kind of power, because the power is growing exponentially.
Yep. Wow.
So yeah, I hit 6,000, all of a sudden the back end got real light.
Oh my God. Good fun.
You remember how to get back?
I think I have to turn my GPS on, but I was too busy getting my brains.
I'll put my GPS on,
Too busy getting my brains smashed against the back of my skull there. Awesome car.
Thank you. Yeah, you hit it, all of a sudden it's like, those trees become a blur.
Yep,
just
tunnel vision.
Starts flying by,
Yep. So no other engine issues or drivetrain issues, nothing so far? Oh my God.
Sorry. A little twitch. I just
had an itch.
Yeah, exactly. I think a mosquito just bit me.
That is awesome. All right. That's good fun. Now, is this your daily driver?
It is, believe it or not.
Awesome. Yeah, that Shelby is my daily driver. Watch out for that manhole cover there. The bump there.
So, yeah, the handling mods will come next.
Yeah.
And it's funny because when people come to me and say, Rich, I want to, modify my Mustang, what should I do?
Yeah.
I usually, being the good mechanic, I always tell them to do the sporting mods first.
Yeah.
Be patient, do your exhaust, get your suspension set up and everything.
Yep.
I got this car, so what did I do?
Yeah.
I threw a supercharger on it without doing anything else.
That's what I would do. That's what I would do. That's the fun. And it doesn't feel like it needs anything else. I mean, it's blasting forward like a rocket.
It grabs. I mean, I knew the most important one were the tires.
Yeah.
Because those stock
because I'm music again.
Not gonna hold them all.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, they could, and that is the one thing that makes me laugh when you watch people modify their cars.
Yeah.
They're showing you the video of its stock,
Yep.
and they can't put the power down.
Yep.
And then they do something to the engine without at least putting better tires on.
Yep.
You know, well, what was the point of that? If you're already spinning the tires with 500,
Yep.
you're going to spin the more with 550.
Exactly.
So,
Yep.
you know, so I made it a point, at least do the tires. We went from the stock to 305s.
Yep.
And wow, the difference.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That tires held up pretty well there to that acceleration force. That's for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Yeah.
And even when it breaks loose, it's not that uncontrollable crowd-killing Mustang.
Yep.
You know, as long as you don't overcompensate, you're good.
Yep. Oh man, that was awesome, dude. Thanks for the ride. Appreciate it.
Anytime, brother.
And Speed Junkies, check out.
Yes,
Keep
Speed
an eye
Junkies
open for
on
Speed
YouTube.
Junkies.
Absolutely.
I'll give it a shout out on my channel when it goes live.
Appreciate it.
All right, dude. Thanks.
See you guys.